fact, let's also get you an ET Now mega exclusive. Lauren Templeton of Templeton and Phillips Capital Management says that India actually has several opportunities and pockets of value despite the steep valuations that the market have been trading at. But right now, she says they're invested in only one Indian stock, and that's HDFC Bank.
We do like India because we think, even though valuations are quite high in India, as I think many have pointed out, it is not even, right, in the Indian markets. I think some stocks have participated in the market a lot more than others. And we like India because it combines many attractive macroeconomic factors, including a low per capita income, a young population, and a heavier presence of higher margin asset-light firms in the technology sector. So, for example, India's per capita income is $6,390 compared with China at $17,200. We think that when countries experience economic growth from a low base, the creation of wealth among its citizens is transformative to the economy. This is much like China's economy 20 years ago. So we would expect to see some good performance in consumer discretionary stocks, et cetera, in the Indian market, so to say. And then, of course, if you turn to demographics, India has a very young population compared to many other areas of the world. You have a median age of 28.4 years. That's versus 38.1 in the US and 38.4 in China, 42.5 in Europe, and 48.4 in Japan. So that's really important to remember. And then, of course, India's technology sector is very well developed and represents 7.7% of your GDP versus, I think, 5 something in the US. So these are all really positive aspects for investing in India, even though your markets had a great year last year and were top performers in the Asia region for sure. But we're still finding value in some companies in India and other places around the world.
Okay, that's the word coming in from Lauren Templeton saying they're observing the Indian markets. As of now, they're holding only HDFC Bank in their portfolios, but many stocks on their radar still.